Hi YouTube family, my name is Elysia English and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to show you our reveal of our staircase makeover. It took us a little longer than we planned. I was hoping this would be a 2, maybe 3-day project, and it actually took me 6 days. Leaving proper drying times in between my paint, doing the protective coat and everything. This took a lot longer than I had planned, but I'm really happy with the results. We also were able to do a trash to treasure on making a bench for our actual staircase landing. And then Philip and I tackled and tag team doing a beautiful quote, which is above me on the landing here, that says, "We rise by lifting others," which is a quote that our family uses all the time. I'm so happy that we now have this fresh transition from the kitchen up to the boys' rooms, which you've also been seeing that we've been renovating, which you guys are going to see this week in a full tour of from our kitchen here all the way up through the boys' bedrooms, bathroom, and everything that we've been working on over the past couple of weeks. So let's check out the staircase before I show you what we decided we were gonna do at 12:30 a.m. in the morning last night.
Said you needed a break and left with no heads up. I was strong for your sake, but it made my heart drop. 'Cause it's always been you and I. Give me one more try. This is messing with my mind. Not gonna lie, but I'll give you the space so you can figure this out. I've been losing sleep and it won't get better. I can't get my mind off of you. Days go by and I can't help but wonder if you think about me too. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you.
Hey Phil, are you floored with this renovation? It's far too late for buns, isn't it?
We're like everyone else, we have our ups and downs. It is not just one mistake that made you think about what life can be like without me in it. I still thought it'd be you and I until we die. But I'll give you the space so you can figure this out. I've been losing sleep and it won't get better. I can't get my mind off of you. Days go by and I can't help but wonder if you think about me too. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me.
Okay, YouTube family, my favorite part about this transformation is definitely this blue color on the wall. It is called Water Ski. I'm now obsessed with it. Let me know what you think of the blue. I also love this 3D lettering that we did. This little bench adds so much character to the landing, and this little pillow that's actually on here, this Lumbo pillow, is made out of a tea towel. And I just used some scrap fabric to make that pillow there that we actually were gonna put in the camper, but I love it with that pop of the yellow orange against the blue. Since they're complementary, I think it looks amazing. This lettering, Philip did a fantastic job, and I'm pretty sure it's my new favorite thing in the house. I didn't really realize how much a staircase could add so much impact to your house, but this is a much more inviting way to head upstairs to the boys' rooms. We plan on putting some personalized pictures in those picture frames when we can get some printed, and that will really personalize and finish up this space. And we also need a little transition strip for right here at the stairs, which we've just placed an order for. Okay, YouTube family, you know when you get to be in lockdown for so long that you're about to cut yourself some bangs? Well, Philip and I are right now moving our fridge completely out of the kitchen. And you can see we have all of our freezer stuff on the stair here. And this wall is now completely blank because we have an idea. We went today to pick up a whole bunch of supplies that we need. So we need to get all of this cleaned up, some trim on there, and then we're getting ready to do our next project. That's a 12 a.m. thought, so let's see how this goes. Okay, I know you guys are gonna think that we've completely gone bonkers and lost our minds, but we have removed our fridge at 12:36 a.m. in the morning. We emptied the fridge and moved it to the basement. Why are we moving our fridge? Well, there is a huge area here, massive square footage that we are missing out on in this already tiny kitchen. Having a fridge is obviously a must, and so we are planning on putting a smaller size fridge actually built into the cabinetry on our lower part here underneath our counter. We're gonna show you that process as we get going, but this area right here is going to be an amazing little breakfast seating area nook. We plan on doing a very small sort of sectional here, shiplapping the wall, I think, and then we're going to be building a gorgeous bench here and a DIY round pedestal table. We want to make this look super coastal, a little bit of a nautical vibe, but still looks super classy. But right now, in addition to this, we're doing a full body gym in the basement in addition to a yoga stretching studio. So I'm excited to show you guys the colors that we're using. We are doing ceilings, walls, floors, building the framing, drywall, matting, taping, you name it, we're doing it, in addition to some DIYs to make this a one-of-a-kind gym that's going to be an epic transformation. You guys have seen our basement, it's terrible. We're working on that whole half side of the gym coming up. So if you're not already part of our YouTube family, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit like, comment below. I want you guys to guess what colors are we using for the gym. There's no white other than something we're doing on the ceiling. So I wanna know what you guys think we're using for colors. Our equipment is yellow. So the only clue I'm gonna give you is that it's something that's gonna coordinate and kind of have to tie in our existing equipment that we already have. That might be a hint for you. And we are also working on this space here. So I want to hear what you guys think of the stairs, our idea for the kitchen here, and what colors you guys think we're using for the gym. We have so much content coming up with makeovers, renovations, DIYs, upcycled projects, more trash to treasure coming your way. Stay tuned, we love you, and we'll see you tomorrow.